If super strong glue gets stuck on your skin, what would you do? If you try to pull it off forcefully, it can tear your skin and cause bleeding. So try this simple little trick instead. Put a small amount of cooking oil on your fingertips. Then gently rub them together. The oil will seep in. Break down the glue's chemical bond. And allow your fingers to separate naturally. Easy, right? Share this simple tip with your family and friends so they can know it too. In winter, don't hang hooded clothes like this. The area where the hood touches the jacket takes a very long time to dry, and over time it can develop a bad smell. So instead, use an extra hanger. Lift the hood up, then stack the hangers together. This creates better airflow, helps the hood dry much faster, and keeps your clothes fresh and odor-free. Simple, right? Every time you sweep the floor, hair gets stuck in the broom, and it's really hard to remove. Small dust particles get swept from one place to another, and the floor never feels truly clean. Now, all you need is a roll of tape. Stick it on the broom, like this. After sweeping, hair and dust will stick directly to the tape. Cleanly and effortlessly. Follow me for more simple and useful life hacks. Every time you cut an onion, your tears start falling like rain, right? Before you step into the kitchen, try this simple trick. Take a glass of clean water, take a sip, and hold the water in your mouth. Then cut the onion as usual. The moisture helps reduce the onion's strong fumes, making cooking much easier and more comfortable. Simple, but helpful. If your knives or scissors are rusty, don't throw them away just yet. Simply take a slice of onion and gently rub it onto the rusty spots. Onions contain sulfuric acid. When it reacts with the rust, which is iron oxide, the two substances meet and begin to dissolve almost instantly. As you rub, the rust disappears, and your knife or scissors become shiny and clean again. No need to buy new ones. Simple, effective, and money-saving.